Hi Cliff, Don Green here from DG Digital Services. It was great meeting you the other day, and thank you for the opportunity to present this little clip to you. So what I'm basically doing is having a quick look at your website and how it's viewed by all the search engines, and basically show you the your main opposition as well. So the three things that just to make this a simple video is I will talk about content, backlinks and citations. So in regard to your site, you do have limited content. There's only around 230 words of content on your homepage. And what you've got to realise about Google is they're a business just like you and I. So what they look for when people put in the search is the most authoritative content website that they can present. So they're doing their job. And one of the things that they do like is content. So and not just any kind, it's got to be authoritative content and well powered to your industry. So when you do that search and when you write the content, they would like to see anywhere from 1,000 to 2,000 words of authoritative content on the homepage, which would give you an advantage. And like I say, you're around 230 words at the minute. Having said that, your main competition with my search, which was Modular Homes in Perth, they have a very similar amount of the content, but they do have a lot more throughout their site and the power, so to speak. So I'm just going to give you a quick overview of what I think. For example, there is no contact number like here on your homepage straight away, so you'd want a clickable number, and because like when people are searching for you on their mobiles and all that, which is becoming a far more popular source of search these days, they can literally just click on the number and the call is being directed straight to you. You probably want a little bit more on this menu, you know, as what you like about us and all this sort of stuff, you know, because like looking at your site, you have approximately 10 pages. And if I'll just give you a quick look to the back end of your site. So if I just use a program called Ahrefs, and that gives an overview of your site. You can see this number here, 0.4. The DR represents domain rating. So this is a 0 to 100 number. And as you can see, you're a 0.4. So definitely need to pay attention to that to get any kind of recognition. Like if you can imagine Facebook, that's 100. But like, yeah, everything in between, 0.4 is not really going to do it. And this is your global rating, so you're over 85 millionth at the minute. This here is the next topic that I'd like to talk about is your backlinks. You can see that you have 3 backlinks and they're coming from 2 different websites. So a backlink is basically if people are looking on a website and then they can click on a link that takes them back to your site. Okay, so you have only 3 of these links on the internet according to this program. So where someone might be on a site, they can click and then get taken straight back to your homepage. Okay, so keywords. You have got no keywords on your site. It's not that you don't have the keywords, but they're not got any power pointed at them, so they're not being recognized. And hence why you're getting 0 traffic. It seems that this site is only, well, was this? October 20. And that's only had a little bit of work done this year, really. So it's been just sitting there idly. But what I'll do now is I'm going to just show you your opposition. I just put in a Google search for modular homes, and we got this company here. See where they've got a nicer display. They too do not have a phone number, so maybe in the contact, that's still an email, but they should have a phone number here. But you can see the stuff that they actually have with their displays and things like that, and they only have the same amount of words, but they are found in position 1 for the search, and it's because of this. I'll show you their back end now, and you can see that they have a greater DR of 13, but they have 522 links pointing back to their website on 191 different websites. Okay, so, and they have 1.3 thousand organic keywords. So you can see they've spent a bit of time and money putting the effort in, and this is telling me that their website is giving them 3,500 notifications of inquiry or whatever per month. Okay, so this is definitely something that we've got to look at, because we're quite vacant here. So this is something we can definitely help you with. So content being not necessarily a priority, but we definitely have to get some content. This here, your backlinks, is your power, and your keywords. We need to find some keywords, and this is what we basically do when we write the contents. We actually insert the keywords and then power that up. So so it could be like modular homes Perth in some of your content. If I just have you actually just go back here, and I'll just show you some of the keywords that they're using. See, transportable homes WA, and this volume here is a monthly. So they're getting that keyword is being used 1.3 thousand, like 1,300 times every month in the Google search. The KD is the keyword difficulty, and 28 is quite hard to rank for. That's why you pay for a service to power that keyword up. And they have actually got 400 or 399 inquiries because of that keyword, and they've ranked number 2 on Google for that. So if people put in that keyword in the search, they should be second on page 1. That's what that basically represents. So you can see here, modular homes Perth, another 1,400 searches. Modular WA doesn't really count because that's their business. Prefab homes Perth, if that's not a business, well, that's getting 500 searches. You know what I mean? So there's a lot of potential that we can use here. We could still copy these keywords and create content. But then other than that, is the citations. Because if I just did a really quick Google search here for modular homes Perth, okay, this shows you them, right? This here is called a map pack, and this is where you get there from your GMB. So and your GMB is, if I just put LPod Perth, this is what's known as a GMB, or a GBP. I think it might be getting changed to now because they're changing their platform. So it's going to be your Google business profile. This knowledge panel is like your Google listing, okay? It actually says you're in William Street in Perth, so I'm not really sure about that. But we have to get power to this actual process. And when we get power to that, that's what actually gets you into this maps section. So, and that's done, one of the processes, there is a few, but one of the processes is citations. A citation is your business name, address, and phone number on the internet. It could be in directories and all that, but basically what it's saying is this business has got their name, address, and phone number in more areas on the internet than this business. So we can actually do some reverse engineering, see how many citations they have, and start planning those. And because I actually have looked, if you look at here, through the more, there's basically 20 to a page, and you can see here, so there's 100. I've actually looked through that whole thing, and I could not find your listing, which we both know you had because I just showed you the panel. So that's another ranking factor that we've definitely got to address. So if any of this interests you, please reach out. You've got my number now, and you will have all my details on the email that I'll provide with this, along with this link. So, but once again, it was great meeting you. I really look forward to seeing if you want to do something together. And you have yourself a great day.